Good morning, y'all. Sorry about the noise. There is a helicopter in the background, but today we're going to do like a little vlog. We're off to school early morning, so we're gonna hop in the vet. The daily driver is down as of right now, so we daily the vet. So let's go ahead and get her all started. All right, let's see. The key in. As y'all can hear, the upgraded fuel pump, it is actually very loud. Let's see. Make sure neutral always, clutch down. Starts right up. And then all those lights go away, of course, once you start your vehicle. But I will get back to y'all in the next clip, probably when I'm driving, so see y'all later. Alright, so just made it to school, but had to make a little stop on the way over. Sonic, y'all have to go try it out. Sonic breakfast burrito specifically. You gotta go ask. If you're on a budget, you know, just say, can I get a Sausage Junior burrito? And it'll smack every time. All right, y'all, so earlier today, I was at school, as you saw in those previous clips. I was in gym class. Professor he doesn't like phones out. So, you know, I just kept it on the low, just filmed a little quick recording of whatever I was doing at the moment. I think I filmed treadmill, and then I filmed the weight room. It was just a little quick clips. But right now, I'm at somebody's house right now. I'm going to help them assemble something, or a gym set, I believe. I'll probably throw in some clips of that as well. But I'll get back to y'all on whatever I'm doing next after I leave this place. So, as I'm sitting here editing this video for y'all, I just want to let y'all know this next clip is a screen recording from Cars Across Texas YouTube video. Shout out to Drew for noticing I got a new car. And go ahead and watch this next clip, y'all.
Got a pretty clean little C5, sounding good, but this is what I want right here, boys. This right here. This is clean. I do like this. Very nice, sir. Wait. New car?
Yes, sir.
Nice, man. Hell yeah. Nice, man. Sounds good.
All right, y'all. In this next clip right here, I'm doing a POV driving. So during these POV drivings, I'm going to ask y'all questions on my Instagram, which is ls1_Houston_. I'm going to ask y'all, what should I talk about in these POV drivings? And y'all are just going to basically ask me questions either about the car or my personal life. Do whatever. So this POV driving is of this morning, and I'm just going to throw it in the vlog from yesterday morning. But just trying to get this video out for y'all. And yeah, so go ahead. I'm going to make a post, I believe, maybe tomorrow. And y'all just need to go comment on just random questions. Let me know. All right, y'all. So I decided I'm going to give a little POV drive on the way to the basketball court. Might as well. Got the GoPro out. detail my vehicle whenever I get time, whenever I'm not working. This POV drive-in in the vlog that I started yesterday. This is a whole different day. I just didn't have enough stuff to film for a good video for y'all. So here we go, POV. A couple things about the car is stuff that I'll probably do in the future right here. As you can see, the previous owner was going to add gauges in here. He bought the cluster and everything, but he did not get to putting gauges in. He decided to put one of them that he bought into his full-on race car. So he decided to do that, but I'm probably going to get gauges and get them installed here. Another thing, this is a C6 Z06 shifter knob. This is just shifter knob. And this is a thing like a bunch of C5 manual owners, they always do. They like to always get this shifter knob, and I can tell why. It's really nice. Okay, here we go. How you can click all your fuel, your gauges, trip, options, E/M, reset. Then there goes your heads-up display controls right there. I like how it has a bunch of features here. My Camaro had none of this. None. I can see how far I can go off of a tank of gas. I have 127 miles left. So if anybody wants to pay for my gas tank, please do. Don't be shy. me, you'll know I love to play basketball. I'll probably throw some basketball content in every now and then in any of the videos, or I'll probably throw in some basketball content from right now. We'll see what's up. Just want to go get some shots up right now and obviously get a little workout on. And pulling into the park right now, y'all. Alright, we're here. I'll catch y'all in the next clip. Alright, y'all, so I did not get to shoot a outro for this video, but I'm just gonna go ahead and shoot it now. I want to give a big thanks to all of my friends and other subscribers and everybody who's just been showing support and watching the video. I thank y'all so much. I've gained subscribers every single day since I've started, which has not been long, but it's been growing every single day, slowly but surely. And like I said in my Instagram post, greatness doesn't come overnight. But I mean, with y'all as my supporting fan base, I'd say, greatness can come overnight, slowly but surely though. But go ahead and give me some video, or let me say questions. Ask questions so I can answer them in one of these POV videos while I'm driving. Mismatching words because it's so late, y'all. It's 1:08 a.m. But all right, y'all, thanks so much for watching the video and have a great night.